or service operator. In this video, we will learn how to perform product costing for a multiple product manufacturer or service operator using the template provided in this subtopic. For this example, we will follow the costing for Cakesies, a bakery that sells carrot cakes and chocolate cakes. First, record all expenses in the detailed costs record, also provided in this subtopic. Then, calculate the direct material cost per item. To do this, divide the total direct material cost per month, which you can get from your detailed costs record, by the number of items that you have produced per month. Next, calculate the direct labor cost per item. To do this, divide the total direct labor cost per month, which you can also get from your detailed cost record, by the number of items produced per month. After that, calculate the indirect manufacturing expense per item. To do this, multiply the indirect manufacturing expense per direct cost by the total direct cost per item. To get the indirect manufacturing expense per direct cost, divide the total indirect manufacturing expense per month that you get from your detailed costs record by the total direct cost of the entire business per month. How can you get the total direct cost of the entire business per month? Simply add the total direct material cost and the total direct labor cost. Then, to get the total direct cost per month, just add the direct material cost per item and the direct labor cost per item. The next step is to calculate the overhead expense per item. To do this, multiply the overhead expense per direct cost by the total direct cost per item. You may get the overhead expense direct cost by dividing the monthly overhead expense by the total direct cost of the entire business per month. Lastly, add up the total cost. To get the total cost per item, add the direct material cost per item, the direct labor cost per item, the indirect manufacturing expense per item, and the overhead expense per item. You now know how to cost multiple products or services.